In this video, I am going to start question number 2. Students, as you know, in the last video, I solved only first question of exercise 11.3 because I have solved remaining questions of earlier exercise also. So, second question is a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Okay students, what is the meaning of this question? Listen carefully. Suppose we have a suitcase. Now I am trying to draw a diagram so that the picture should be clear. तो यहाँ डायग्राम की हेल्प से अगर आप समझ लेंगे तो आपके लिए काफ़ी इजी रहेगा. सपोज दिस इज अ सूटकेस ऑफ क्यूबोइडल शेप. ओके, cuboidal means you can see that all the dimensions are different 80, 48 and 24. तो ये क्यूब नहीं होकर क्यूबॉइड होगा. हम क्यूबॉइड के फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. सपोज आप इसको एक टर्पोलिन क्लॉथ मीन्स इट इज सिंपली ए क्लॉथ. सो इस क्लॉथ से हम इसको कवर करना चाहते हैं सारे फेसेस को. यू नो दैट देर आर 6 फेसेस. सो द एरिया ऑफ दैट क्लॉथ इज इक्वल टू द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस क्यूबॉइड. नाउ we want to find the length of tarpaulin cloth whose width is 96 centimeter to cover 100 such suitcases. It means यहाँ पर हमें 100 सूटकेस का टोटल सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करना है और उस एरिया को इस क्लॉथ के एरिया से कंपेयर करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सी वी डोंट नीड दिस डायग्राम. इट वाज जस्ट टू हेल्प you understand this question. Now we just find the total surface area of 100 suitcases. So we just write let the length of tarpaulin cloth, that is tarpaulin cloth, be L. Okay, so we can just say that area of cloth, you can just write cloth, area of cloth is equal to total surface area of 100 suitcases. As I explained you, 100 suitcases. Okay, now students, you know that the area is length into breadth because the breadth is given, that is 96 centimeter. So we just write L into 96 centimeter is equal to total surface area of 100 suitcases. So it is 100 into, now what is the total surface area of one suitcase? आपको पता है कि ये सूटकेस जो है ये क्यूबॉइडल शेप का है. तो एक क्यूबॉइड का सरफेस टोटल सरफेस एरिया होता है 2 इंटू L into B, that is 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter, then plus 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter plus 24 centimeter into 80 centimeter. So which is this formula? You might be surprising. Formula is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, now we simplify this. So it is L into 96 centimeter equal to 100. Okay, we can write 200. 100 to 200, and here if you multiply 80 by 48, so it is 0. You can just multiply in your rough copy, then write the values here directly. So it is 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry, 8 4 ja 32 plus 6 38 plus 48 into 24 1152 square centimeter plus then multiply 24 by 80. It is, we just write 0 here. Okay, 8 4 ja 32, 3 carry, 8 2 ja 16 plus 3 90 square centimeter. Now add all these 200. सो हम सारी वैल्यूज को यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ 0, add all the digits प्लेस वाइज। सो यूनिट पोजीशन पे 0, 2 और 0, यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 2। देन टेंस पोजीशन 2 + 5 7, 7 + 4 11, 1 कैरी, 9 + 1 10, 11, 11 + 8 19, 1 carry, 2, 3 and 3 + 3 6. So if we add all these values, it is 6912 square centimeter. Now if you multiply, you will get, okay, we just multiply this number by 200. We put both of zeros, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, okay, 2 9 ja 18, 1 carry, 2 6 ja 12 plus 1 3, 12 plus 1 13, okay. And now you know that how to solve this. So to find the value of L, we just divide this value by 96. And you can see that we are dividing a value of square centimeter by another value of centimeter. So we will have the quotient as centimeter, and if divide this, we will have 14,400 centimeter. Okay students, so this is the answer, means a length of 14,400 meter, 14,400 centimeter tarpaulin cloth will be needed to cover 100 such suitcases. But maybe in your textbook the answer is given in meter, so just divide the value of centimeter by 100, it is converted into meter, and now it is just 144 meter. So conclude your answer. 144 meter of length is needed. I hope you understood this question. Okay students, it was the important question of this exercise. So question number 4 is also important. It is, Rukhsar painted the outside of the cabinet of measures 1 meter by 2 meter by 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? You can see the diagram in your textbook. Here it is a box. So box की dimensions given है. Length is 2 meter. Now we can just write here L equals 2 meter, then breadth equals 1 meter and height is equal to just 1.5 meter. So question में ये लिखा है कि how much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet. Bottom is, इस बॉक्स का बॉटम हम काउंट नहीं करेंगे, इसको हमें अवॉइड करना है. इट मीन्स टोटल सर्फेसेज आर 5, तो 5 सर्फेसेज पे हम पेंट करेंगे, उसका हमें एरिया निकालना है. सो you know that the area of the bottom is just length into breadth. It means we will subtract this area from the total surface area, or we can write in this way. So we just write required surface area is equal to. So students आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि टॉप और बॉटम में से सिर्फ बॉटम को हमें कवर करना है. सो बॉटम, सॉरी, जो टॉप सरफेस है उसका एरिया होगा लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. ओके, नाउ वी हैव लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड फेसेस whose areas are 2 into breadth plus height, breadth into height. Okay, because both the faces are rectangular in shape, so the area is just breadth into height. Again, front and back side faces are also painted, so the area of both these are twice of length into height, and if you substitute the values you will get the answer. So it is just L into B. L into B means 2 meter into 1 meter plus twice of breadth into height, so it is just 1 meter into 1.5 meter and plus twice of length into height, that is 2 meter into 1.5 meter. Okay students, now just multiply all the values and simplify. It is 2 square meter plus twice of 1.5 square meter plus twice of 3 square meter, because 1.5 को जब हम डबल करते हैं तो 3 होता है. Now it is 2 square meter plus 3 square meter plus 6 square meter. Okay students, finally add all these. 2 plus 3 5 plus 6 11. It is 11 square meter. It means the total surface area which is to be painted is 11 square meter, and the question is how much surface area did she cover. Hence she covered 11 square meter. I hope you understood. Move to the next question. Next question is question number 5. It is also important question. The question is, Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height as 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. So from each can of paint 100 square meter of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So question is important. Why? Because we have to focus at the language of the question. तो इस क्वेश्चन में ये कहा गया है कि एक हॉल है जिसकी वॉल्स और सीलिंग को हमें पेंट करना है. ओके, एंड यू नो दैट वी नेवर पेंट द फ्लोर ऑफ एनी हॉल और एनी रूम. रूम के या हॉल के फ्लोर को हम कभी पेंट नहीं करते. सो हमें ओनली 4 वॉल्स और सीलिंग को कंसिडर करना है. देन वी विल फाइंड द एरिया अकॉर्डिंगली, and that area is divided by 100 square meter, and we get the number of cans required to paint that hall. So what we do, it is question number 5. We just write area of the hall. Okay, to be painted equal to just, so here we will avoid the floor because floor को कभी कलर नहीं किया जाता, तो हम सीलिंग को इंक्लूड करेंगे. देन ट्वाइस ऑफ लेंथ इंटू हाइट प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ L, B and H. So it is equal to length into breadth, that means 15 into 10, 15 meter into 10 meter plus 2, then L into H, so that is simply 15 meter into 7 meter plus twice of B into H, it is 10 meter into 7 meter. Multiply all these, we have 150 स्क्वायर मीटर प्लस, तो नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट को हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 15 7 जा 105 एंड 105 को हम डबल करते हैं तो ये होता है 210 स्क्वायर मीटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन इन द नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट वी हैव 10 7 जा 70, 70 का डबल करेंगे तो ये होगा 140 स्क्वायर मीटर. एड ऑल दिस. ओके, वी हैव 0, देन 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 2 to 4 plus 5. So the total surface area to be painted is 500 square meter. Now we have to find the number of cans. So just write number of cans required equal to 500 square meter divided by the area that is painted by 1 can. So it is equal to 100 square meter, that is equal to 5. So students, 5 is the answer of question number 5. Now students, next question is question number 7. So I think all the questions are important. Okay, you should practice for each question. Question number 8 is, this is about a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? Now, I just want to draw the diagram. Actually, you don't need to diagram in your fair copy. It is only to make the concept clear for you. तो मैं यहाँ पर एक सिलेंडर का डायग्राम ड्रॉ करता हूँ. ओके, it is a cylinder or you can say a cylindrical shaped vessel. So यहाँ पर radius given है 7 meter. It means this is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. It means this height is 3 meter and this is closed cylindrical tank. So what is the meaning of closed? Means we have to consider the total surface area. जब भी सिलेंडर या कोई भी सिलिंड्रिकल वेजल क्लोज्ड होता है तो मोस्टली हम उसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करते हैं, ना कि कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. सो द टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 180. On this page number, means on page number 180, you can find the total surface area and the area of sheet is equal to the total surface area of this cylinder. So again I tell you that no need to draw this diagram. So we just write how much sheet of metal is required. Area of metal sheet is equal to TSA of cylinder. Now what is the TSA? It is just 2 pi r into r plus h. So we have 2 into 22 upon 7. You know the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r. So it is given 7 meter. Then r plus h, 7 meter plus the height is 3 meter. Simplify this. That is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 and inside the bracket it is just 10 and we can say it is square meter because the area is measured in square meter. Does it matter? Now see students, 7 is cancelled out and we have 22 to the 44 and it is simply 440 square meter. बिकॉज जब भी हम 22 का डबल करेंगे तो आएगा 44 और इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सिंपली इट इज 440 स्क्वायर मीटर. सो द एरिया ऑफ मेटल शीट required to make the given closed cylinder is 440 square meter. And students, this is question number 7, not 8. By mistake I have written question number 8. It is question number 7. So I hope you understood this question. Now for this exercise 3 questions are remaining and wait for the next video in which I will solve these questions. And before I finish this lecture, I just want to tell you some important formulas. Okay, there are 2 types of areas in case of a cylinder. One is called CSA, another is TSA. CSA means it is just curved surface area. Okay, and TSA means just total surface area. So what is the meaning of this? Listen carefully. Suppose it is a cylinder. I just try to draw a cylinder. This is a cylinder and the radius is r and the height is h. So curved surface area means whatever the round shape, okay, round shape of the cylinder you can see, the area of this curved surface, it is called CSA. means ये जो भी कर्व्ड सरफेस हम देख रहे हैं जो राउंड शेप में है इस तरह से, इसका जो एरिया होता है उसको हम कहते हैं CSA. that is 2 pi RH. So whenever it is required to calculate CSA, we will use this formula. And what is the meaning of total surface area? Whenever the cylinder is closed means ये upper face और ये bottom face, so top and bottom are also included. Now you can see that both these faces are circular in shape, so एक circle का area होता है pi r square. You can see that top and bottom are also circular, so we add both these because both the circular faces are equal, so the area is also equal. Now it is equal to 2 pi r square. If we add this and this, okay, both these values, we will get total surface area. So we have 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. If you take 2 pi r as common, we have h plus r in the bracket, so it is total surface area, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. Again I tell you, this formula is given on page number 180. It is 2 pi r into r plus h. So students, it is very important to remember the formulas. Okay, solve the remaining questions. Have a good day.